Hi, today in front of me ZTE Axon 30 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the personalization settings. Then you'll see here always on display section. Click here once, and to activate this option you should click here only once on the swatcher. If you want to change here time settings, now for example we can display it for 10 seconds after tapping to the screen. We can just use it always, or just to set the custom schedule the start and the end time of the always on display. And that's it. So now we can see that the always on display feature is successfully activated. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.